Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I got some S&S DCR pumps. You guys keep asking me where I get them from and how much they cost, so we're going to go over that right now. Okay, first off, how much do they cost? This is an entire, they call it a fuel contamination kit from where I get it at. It comes with the pump, it comes with the bolts for the injectors, it comes with an injector return line, the fuel filters, both fuel rails, all 8 injectors, and the manifold line that goes across to the other side. Now, if it's a 2011 through 16, yeah, 2011 through 16, you got to replace that gasket. This is actually for a 2018 model, so it doesn't have the gasket in there. If it was for a 2011 through 16, they would actually throw a vacuum pump gasket in there. Now, where do I get them from and how much do they cost? I get them from a company called Diesel Equipment Company. This is the phone number. If you call up there, you want to speak to a guy named Jim, and you're just going to call the number, you're going to press 1 for parts and then ask for a guy named Jim. All right, this is for this whole kit right here, and that's how much it costs. And it does have a core because they want all 8 injectors back, not the pump. Now, just for a pump, this is how much it costs. And they do not want the pump back for a core. So, to kind of reiterate, this one is for the entire kit. If it was for 11 through 16, it'll come with the vacuum pump gasket. This one is for a 17, has a reusable gasket. I have one here anyway. That's how much it costs. That's just for the pump. But it's well worth it. And I highly recommend that you get it. We are actually about to install this on a 2017 model. You can see Mr. Andrews here has already started working on it. What are you pulling out now?
Vacuum pump.
He's pulling out the vacuum pump. Bottom bolt. And then obviously the DCR. Well, that's the CP4, it's not the DCR. Is that the last bolt? No. There's the vacuum pump. That's the O-ring gasket that they're talking about. This thing's nasty. So in the kit, if it's an 11 through 16, it'll come with a new one, which is orange. 17 and up does not come with a new one because apparently this is reusable. And we put new ones on it because I ran into that problem before, didn't I? Dumping oil out all over the ground. So that is how much they cost. $6,000 for the whole kit. It'll come with a gasket if it's an 11 through 16. Like I said, this is just for the pump. This has an injector cores on it, which is $1,200. This is just the pump. No, it doesn't need a core back. So I hope that answers your guys' question. We always change the gasket anyway, whether it's 11 through 16 or 17 and up. Just better be safe than sorry. Go ahead and give these guys a call and ask for Jim. He'll hook you right up with these. Appreciate it. Love you guys. See you on the next one.